All right, let's do two more here. Now we have f of x equals x plus 2. We need to talk about our shrinks. Okay, we did our stretches before. Now we need to talk about our shrinks. Let's go ahead and again make our table. That's always going to be our first step here. X, and then we're going to do what our function tells us, 4 of x, or 4 times x, and then our last one is f of 4x. Okay, we made our table. Now let's plug in some points. Oh, for this one, let's just use -1, 0, and 1. And we're going to do 4 times x. X is our original number, so we get a -4. 0 times 4 is 0. And 4 times 1 is 4. Now it says f of 4x. So what we got for 4x, we're going to plug into our original function, which is x plus 2. So -4 plus 2 is a -2. 0 plus 2 is 2. And 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, and let's go back to graphing again here. Graph our original function, x plus 2. 2 is our y-intercept. Plot our y-intercept. Again, our slope is 1, so we're going to go up 1, right 1. Well, let's go one more, up 1, right 1 again. Connect our dots there. Now we got to plot our first and our second, our x and our y, so -1, -1, 2, plot a point. 0, 2, our y coordinate's not moving, and 1, 6, way up here. If we connect our dots again, notice there we have a horizontal shrink because it's shrinking towards our y-axis, and that's by a factor of 1/4. Okay, let's do part B. Part B, we need to talk about our other shrink here. So again, we're making a table. And our table is going to consist of x. It's going to have an f of an x. And it's going to have 1/4 f of x. Okay, let's plot points again. -2, 0, 2. Okay, f of x, plug it into our function. -2 plus 2 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now 1/4 of what we just put, so 1/4 of 0 is still 0. 1/4 of 2 is going to be, it's going to be 1/2. Then 1/4 of 4 is going to be 1. Okay, if we plot our original function, go to 2, plot our point, up 1, right 1, that's our slope. Up 1, right 1. Now let's see what kind of shrink we have here. Now, since it's a fraction before, we know it's going to be a vertical shrink by 1/4, but let's go ahead and plot our points here. -2, 0. -2, 0. And we're going to have 0, 1/2. And we're going to have 2, 1. Okay, and if we plot our line through there, notice it's a vertical shrink because it's shrinking towards our x-axis.